Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back traders to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a simple trade recap on some of our trades that we placed last week, or this week that is ending today. And also I want to take you through my trade that was not triggered. This trade was not triggered on XNES, but on the chart it was triggered, and this is FXCM. So I don't know why. Let me check with Owanda and see if it is the same case. This is 0 GBP. Owanda is here. So let me confirm with Owanda and see if it is the case, because FXCM, it was not triggered. I think guys it is the same, or FXCM triggered this trade, but Owanda did not trigger the trade. Owanda did, but your stop loss had to be big. Even XNES did not trigger this trade, so I really feel bad. So your stop loss had to be like that for XNES and Owanda. You had to have your stop loss like this. But look at the difference with FXCM, guys. Look at the difference with FXCM. Like I don't get the thing. And look at how the trade is going. I feel bad. These are the things that disappoint you. It is already at a 1:5. It was not triggered. I really feel so bad. At least I rather enter and I lose than having all, because you see with the analysis, I've taken a lot of time to analyze the market, and you see the setups do not come along every time that you need them. They will come on their own time. So if you get one and you're really sure about it, and then your broker ends up not triggering it, it becomes so disappointing. And then we have another one here. This is what I called out yesterday. This is US oil, guys. I called out US oil yesterday. I think I refined this on the 1 hour. So I called out US oil yesterday. Let me just include the week like that. Told you we are going to buy US oil today. So US oil has finally dropped into the zone, rejected, but it is still retracing around. So let's see how it is going to behave today. However, I do expect US oil to buy. There is a clear break of structure here. Price has retraced the demand zone, and I do expect US oil to buy. That is good. So which other trade? Now guys, we have a trade on this pair here. I really feel disappointed with NZDJPY. I gave you NZDJPY yesterday, and I told you guys it was going to buy. However, NZDJPY has been buying, but it has retraced beyond normal. I told you this was an inverted head and shoulder. This one here, there is no way this NZDJPY is going to survive this inverted head and shoulder. Either way, it will have to go to the upside. Yes, it is buying now, but it had to buy from here. It is not supposed to go beyond here, but it wanted to take out some stop losses before it can be buying. So now it is proceeding the right direction. Let's wait and see where it is going to end. I think then we had US 30. US 30 refused to come to our zone, to buy from our zone and continue to the upside. However, let's wait, because there's a clear break of structure here. So let's wait US 30 to come here and we take it to the upside. So I think that is all with the review. Now guys, I had GBP card. If I tell you what happened, GBP card, I even feel like crying, guys. GBP card, I made the analysis, it was clear. Then this week here, this one here, it was for the CPI news. I think, took me out, and now look at the drop. I'm so disappointed that almost every trade here I was on the right track, but this week took me out, and now it has. I feel so disappointed, and the worst thing is that this week took me out. It has proceeded to my direction, and now the one that was supposed to redeem my anger was on Euro GBP. Yes, and it was not triggered. Okay, guys, so let's proceed. So GBP card was supposed to fall according to my analysis. By the way, the analysis was very simple. Came to the daily time frame, and then so marked the previous support and resistance. Simple, like that. This is the previous high that price has been clocking. This one, I wanted to include this one. Okay, there. And then I knew that now since price has come back to this area, and we have seen like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 daily wicks, we were going to drop. We were going to drop. However, price was not ready to give me some money. So I knew we were going to drop, and we're going to drop up to around, where is it? We're going to drop up to around there. So it was going to be many pips. So if I entered from here, right now you'd be in 128 pips, and it is going to come to 300 pips, guys. And what was that you're risking? 100. So basically the entry should have been around here, around there. Stop loss should be up above there. So GBP card, I'm also disappointed in you. You're not a good person. So I'll proceed to, I think Euro Chef JPY gave us some pips. Now we have AUD USD. This one refused to respect the zone. Okay, it has respected the zone. It has respected the zone, but it is not leaving the zone. You look at it. It is just within the zone. This is the zone. And if it is to buy, then that means Euro USD has to fall. But on the look of Euro USD doesn't want to fall. So I don't know what is happening there. Same thing with NZUSD. This one violated the zone clearly. You see? Violated the zone clearly. Try to retrace, but there is no energy. There is no energy for coming back. So we still expect, and after it reacted from the supply zone, instead of falling this week, was CPI came, took everyone out, and now it continued falling clearly, without any hassle. Without any hassle. But one thing I've learned is that as long as you see these sweeps upside, price is going to fall. If you see a sweep to the downside, price is going to go up. That same thing happened on USD card. However, USD card I was not stopped out because I had my stop loss very far, because I knew this was the last. This is a daily zone, and price has been rejecting on this daily zone. Look at this week here. It came up to here. My stop losses were down here. I was not taken out, so it proceeded to the upside. So NZUSD, AUDUSD, you guys, what you're doing is utter rubbish. Please know that some people depend on you for a living. Don't just do the things far. Very useless pairs. Very useless. So which one again? We had, I think those were the pairs. Those were the pairs. Those were the pairs. So it was a review, but we won 2, lost 1. 1 was not triggered. So that is trading, guys. You always win some, you lose some, so don't feel bad about them. Okay, I think I'll end the video from there because it was just a review, and then the next one is going to be about the next one is going to be about, let me see. Okay, lower time frame entries, and I think I'll give you a signal that one. So that is all for now. Let's wait and see where price is heading. Let price give us a clear direction. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.